Introducing the Water Rescue Kit from Mustang Survival, a compact portable solution containing critical equipment needed for basic emergency water rescue. Inside, you'll find a PFD, a throw bag, and a rescue stick, all contained in a mil-spec watertight protective case, small enough to easily store in the trunk of an emergency vehicle. The M.I.T.100 manual inflatable is a lightweight, low-profile, manual PFD built for quick deployment. The throw bag contains 75 feet of floating rope used to pull someone to safety. The rescue stick offers rapid flotation when thrown towards the victim. Once contact is made with the water, it inflates to a large horseshoe shape, keeping the person afloat while a rescue plan is put into action. Contact Rampart today to learn more about the Mustang Water Rescue Kit, an easy-to-carry, reliable tool, essential when every second counts.